Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, Dada. Remove all pain. Remove all shackles. Remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness, I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. And my health of wealth and your health is your wealth. Vlog on the go, you see me? My viewers and subscribers. The people are bash the PM right now of Jamaica because he must say he has failed them, he's let them down. So I'm making you go on, seen, and also Ragga give a speech, seen, to the gangster them in Jamaica itself, seen, I remember look at freestyle, seen, but Foota Hype and Flex. So big up Foota Hype, big up Flex, big up everybody, peace and love, blessed Sabbath. Then, alright, a lion foot, and I'm out, with no doubt. Yeah man, guidance and protection all, you know what I mean? Blessed love, holy man, well I see last year. Joe, Rastafari. Yeah man. Tinkos, you want to give him a shot? Yeah man.
Bigger deep on the scene, man. I am going to take over, me just come off.
Alright.
Blessed.
I know that.
Nothing can be done about crime. The Labour Party don't share that view. We believe that there is a lot that we can do to solve crime in this country. There is a lot that we can do to bring down murders in this country. There is a lot that we can do to make you safer in your house and in public spaces.
The truth is, as I've said on many occasions, that our crime situation has evolved currently to be over and above our established capacity.
Yeah, me say me stress out and mad.
Mad we do.
Not the one, bro, God.
Me nah lie, sell him cheat on no bad.
The boy give me hotter if he carry in a bag.
You know the was a politician stay. Enough get to use them mislead and stray.
Man. And the lie, you know, a true DJ. But the one that was than Porsche and DJ.
Jamaica, everybody quiet. Everybody get used to it, so nobody now speak out. But overseas, it's scary, man. It's scary, Jamaica. We are getting afraid. We're scary. Because we don't know Jamaica like this. We know Jamaica for the roots where all we grew up. We share and love each other and love your neighbor. This is not Jamaica. Everybody laugh off away. Because the crime rate is the highest in the world. This is not Jamaica. Where we have Usain Bolt, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Elephant Man, them, Aritala, Nitty Kutchi them, Boom Dynamite them, Bling Dog, Dan Mafia, we have the whole of the star them. Jamaica, man, make it done, man. Calm down. Please, Indicom now. Indicom. Settle down a little. Make you match up this thing. You can still do your job, but calm down a little. Make you get back a country back together. All of the youth them you know in the garrison. Love each other. Love is everything. So my time, don't make your ego, make your kid a brother. Walk with man. Walk with my black brother. Walk with. Finish it now, man. It not look good at ya. Whole of Jamaica me attack ya. Call out to the whole of Jamaica. Finish our thing ya. Finish our thing ya. Make us join together as one. As one. Please, Jamaica, it not look good. No more killing. No more killing. A pure little people are dead, brother. A pure people are dead, you know. A pure young youth are dead who could have done police and soldier, you know. That a lie. A pure prime minister are dead, you know. Youth and youth, man. Just live up, you know. Make us finish this thing for one Jamaica. It not look good. Everybody scared to go back to Jamaica. Me and Bush can't live, you know. Me, Jamaica, not for now. Me no want to stay there. All of Jamaica like Fritters Boss. Me love Jamaica, because that is my place. And there some gonna live some life. But it no look good, black people. Black people, live up now. Make you live as one, black people. Black people, done with the war thing. Every era me a call out to. Me not pine for no special era. Every era call each other and say love, peace. Me could done it. You know man have a deal, but just done the war thing. No more gun. Cause listen this before me go. You see the gun can't go to prison and no feeling it. Laugh. And I say, oh soul now. So this gun wins soul, they're not feeling. But when you go to prison, you have your youth them. You see me? Are the threat about you. So please Jamaica. Don't done this thing. The whole of Jamaica me attack. One piece. Make a phone call to your youth in affliction or war and say, yo, peace. Make it done. The whole of Jamaica. Every era me attack about now. Done. Peace now. Make you live as one man. Make people might laugh. Everybody laugh off. We say they kill themselves down there. Jamaica. Finish it, black people. No more blood. No more blood on the ground. No more blood, black people. Me love her now. And the prince, Flitters Bass, Ragarugi, peace to my black brother and my black sister them. One nation, one Jamaica, everywhere. Peace now. Peace. Love now. Be a love you no more at the show. No more killing. And the prince, I'm out.
Yeah, man, I learn for TV, man. Don't pre me. What a palaver, what a drama. With Flex Footer hype and them baby mama. Flex your Footer hype is a bitch. Footer said Flex got caught by karma. What a palaver, what a drama. With Flex Footer hype and them baby mama. Flex said Footer hype is a traitor. Footer said Flex got caught by karma. 2020 was the year of revelation, and it continued in 2021. Enough people got exposed, plenty. You had them all up, you get more than 70. The latest out there in the tropics, and it is facts, ain't no fake news or gossip. Flex found out that he got a jacket. Who tell him, Mumsel, it wasn't like it. Flex and the local you don't look alike. Who is the real father? No Footer hype. Me I feel wonder if Flex really blind if he never asked himself one time, say, that you don't look like a mine. What a palaver, what a drama. With Flex Footer hype and them baby mama. Flex your Footer hype is a bitch. Footer said Flex get caught by karma. What a palaver, what a drama. With Flex Footer hype and them baby mama. Flex your Footer hype is a traitor. Footer said Flex got caught by karma. Footer said him and the girl used to par. Him bring her to the studio and Flex take away her. When him found out he was left with a scar, but him take away himself like a G, him never war. Footer say how him the girl really like, but to him did slow, him never fast like a bike. Flex intervened and met the first strike. Him nearly cry, but him remember say pressure bust pipe. I know say Footer hype wrong or him right. My intuition say him breed off his spite. You want tell me say 13 years Flex I wear the jacket and she said never fit right? Lord Jesus Christ. What a palaver, what a drama. Yo, Learn for TV. Like, comment, subscribe. Have fun, yeah? Don't pay me. Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.